to Kid TV.
Mommy's in the kitchen, baking treats today. She got a little boo-boo, oh what do you say? Little sister's coming with her doctor kit. The boo-boo, every little bit. Baby brother brings a blanket soft and blue. He wants to help his mommy, yes it's true. Even Puppy helps out, bringing something cold. He's the bravest helper, or so I am told. Oopsie daisy! Now her knee is hurting just a little more. Yummy rainbow snacks will make you feel so strong. Baby is a hero, put on quite a show. Laughter is the magic, making it feel right. One sparkly bandage, shining very bright. Shake away the Ouchie, dance around the room. The sun goes down, the stars are bright. Who is hiding in the night? Shine a light, what do we see? Clap your hands and dance along. I'm a happy creature, yes I am. Spinning around and landing with a wham. Jump, jump, jump so high. Ding dong. Look who's coming, say hello. Funny faces, here we go. Bubbles floating in the air. Pop, pop. Peekaboo, I see you there. Peekaboo. Shake the rattle, make some noise. For all the happy girls and boys. Give a roar, a little one. Roar. Playing games is so much fun. Love, there's no lack. Look at the bike, it's a muddy mess. Dirty wheels, let's do our best. Get the water, turn it on tight. Spray it fast, make it look right. Soap and water, mix it in a bowl. Bubbles flying, look at them roll. Jumping high in the soapy sky. Bubbles flying, look at them roll. Jumping high in the soapy sky. Rub-a-dub-dub, give it a try. Wash the seat and wash the frame. Cleaning the bike is a happy game. Scrub the tires round and round. Wash the mud right off the ground. Scrub the bell till it starts to glow. Listen to the bell, hello, hello. Rinse the bubbles, watch them slide. Now there's nowhere left to hide. Splish and splash, we're having fun. Almost finished, almost done. The towel, soft and dry. Pat a cake dry, oh my, oh my. Our shiny bike is such a treat. Look at the mirror, what do I see? A happy you and a happy me. Add a bow and make it grand. Pedal fast or pedal slow. We love our bike, yes we do. Good manners are so fun. Let's show them to everyone. Sharing is caring, a joyful game we're playing. Say please with a smile, it's the best little style. Say thank you loud and clear, happy sounds for all to hear. Clean up, put the blocks away. Yay, we did it! Cover your nose when a big sneeze goes. Wait for your turn, that's a lesson we learn. Eat your food neat, what a wonderful treat. Say hello to a friend, let the kindness never end. Lend a helping hand, the best in the land. Knock on the door, that's what manners are for. Good manners every day, hip hip hooray!